Jesus. Wagwan, what's great? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome and thank you very much for stopping by. My name is Chef John Morris and you're watching Morris Time Cooking. As seen in the title, today I'll be showing you how to make KFC style gravy. Yes, you can put that on your mashed potato, can serve that up with your fries, or you can even serve that up with any form of fried chicken you have in the household. So if that sounds interesting, stick around. After the intro, we get right into it.
We know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
And we are back, and as I said before, we're making some KFC style gravy. All of these recipes that you see here are just based off the knowledge of what I've learned over the years. Not saying I have the secret recipes, but based on my taste buds, I say, you know what? This is what I think I put together, and they're pretty close. You know what I say? So 5 year in KFC will do that for you. I'm going to give you a quick rundown, but before we start on them, I'm going to show you one important thing that we use at KFC to make the perfect fried chicken gravy. Follow me. So see, you have the oil being filtered out at the bottom. We're just going to get that nice and clean. As I said before, I deliberately left this to fry 3 sets of chicken in here, just so I can show you what we use everything to do. So right now the oil is being filtered. I'm going to run you through the rest of the recipe and then I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with that filtered oil. So let's go. First thing you want to do, we're going to add some butter to our hot pan. Tablespoon of that butter. Get that nice and melted. Then to that we're going to add half tablespoon of flour, and this is all-purpose flour. And we're making a roux. I want this to be a blonde roux, so a nice dark roux. So we're going to cook this for about 3 minutes to ensure that we cook out that raw flour. Constantly whisk on medium heat. Okay, we're going to heat that now with half teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. If you have poultry seasoning, you can add that to that instead of the all-purpose seasoning. I have here 2 chicken bouillon cubes. Drop them in here. And we're going to pour over 1.5 cups of hot water. Mix this and allow them to melt. If you have chicken stock, you can go ahead and use that. If you don't have chicken stock and you have the bouillon cubes, you can just use those instead. So we'll just melt those with hot water. As I said, I took that off the heat because I don't want to burn it. Alright, in goes that chicken stock. Beautiful. Nice. Gonna hit that now with about 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Nice. Ooh, that's smelling good. Alright, we need to change the color of this now. Gonna hit that with a little bit of soy sauce. Put a little bit of that soy sauce in there for color, about 1 teaspoon. And of course, that's also gonna add flavor too, right? Realize how that change. You see that? That color change instantaneously. Give that a whisk. Quick gravy, man. This is a quick thing. All right. Give it a taste. That is it. I let that simmer on medium heat. So you see all that stuff in here? You call this the crackling from all the fried chicken. So scrape that down. I want to scrape all of that out. That's where all the flavor lies. I'll scrape that in here. I'll just strain the excess oil from this. Typically, you would leave this in your fridge to fully drain all that oil out. Allow it to just drain all that oil out and leave us with that crackling. This is what it should look like when it's fully drained in the fridge. But I'm going to be using this fresh one here. All right, we're going to add that now right into the gravy. Remember, that's going to help to thicken that gravy as well as to bring massive flavor to that. Quick gravy, man. Simple, but yet so delicious. You can add this on anything, gravy. Look at that. Instantly it's becoming thick. So for the crackling, you can use at least 2 tablespoons for this amount, right? I'm going to use half more cup of hot water. So in total, I use 3 cups of water. Push that up. Oh my days. You just simmer this for over 15 minutes on low heat. Stir every so often so it doesn't burn, and you're good to go. Alright, let's go, let's go. Look how beautiful. Just gonna strain that off because we don't want all that crackling in there. Wow. Wow. Perfect color. In here smells great. Listen to me. Look at that. Wow. Oh my days. Jesus. And there you go. How to make your very own KFC gravy. It is that simple. Just a few ingredients, and I guarantee you, you can use this on Sunday dinner. Even if you're not making KFC chicken, try out this gravy and let me know what are your thoughts down below. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and do remember, if I gave you some value, hit the thumbs up button. If you want to support the kitchen, hit that thanks button below, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, and bring us to 1 million subscribers. You know what I say? Right now we're halfway there, and we have about 9 recipes in the KFC series, a few more to go, and we're going to close it off. You know what I say? So check out every one of those videos in the playlist KFC series. Until then, thank you very much for watching. Safe travel upon the gravel, and go and big up on yourself. I must say, chef, why not tasty? Hold on. Listen, my man.